This is where we are today, up this little alley. I'm with me mate. An absolute load of pus. It's his load. Mine's a little bit better, I guess. Hey, so we're going to go out as a pair. We came in as a pair, so loaded up, gave each other a hand, and we are in the glorious town of North Melbourne. So yeah, if you've been here before, I'm sure you probably know what the traffic's going to be like. Yeah mate, whenever you're ready. Straight up. Going through this little laneway. Just can't see the mirrors, but there ain't much room getting out of here. So I'm with me mate up there. He's he got a load of everything as well. Coming out of North Melbourne here and going to it's all going back to Newcastle. All going back to one place, so just go up as a pair and I guess we got lucky here. I'm going to take up both lanes, I think.
Them cars on the right here, mate, that green, red one.
Bit of money sitting there, I think. These are the cars he's talking about.
Fucking V8, that green one.
How long are we going to sit here for? Alright, we're going left. Holy Jesus, she's a tight corner. Bloody tight corner, this one.
Take up as much as you can, mate. You're probably about a metre longer than me.
Ah, you got that short trailer on. Bloody, this sensor, it's going off telling me that the trailer's in my blind spot. bit. She's a bit fucking dirty. Yeah, my air pressure's telling me it's not even at 350 on the up on the steer there. Yeah, mine's telling me turn right, 200 metres boundary.
Oh, everyone else is going to the left there. Yeah, we go right here and then you basically just follow it to the M2.
Let's hope at least leaving at this time it's not peak traffic yet. I'll see you a bit further down the road somewhere, mate.
I'm going anywhere anyway. Traffic's banked up as far as I can see, mate.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I haven't got too far, mate.
No, you hadn't made it too far.
That low don't look too bad from when you turn that corner.
Yours looks alright from behind.
Well, most things are look good from behind.
I think he could be sitting here for a while. Where's this guy going? Where the fuck's he going?
Another bloke did that before, he went up there then turned up here. It's going to be 4:30 by the time we get these lights up here.
Oh, so this is how slow we're moving. It's creeping along. We're going to go up fucking another 9.4 kilometres.
Whatever the mate, they're like fucking sheep. One person does it, everyone else has got to follow.
Output brains and idiots, mate. Let's see if we can't get through this set. We got through.
Stick in the middle, mate. Can't go wrong, I don't think.
Mate, I think we'll be right.
All fucking new roads to me, this. That'd be the highway above us, so I guess we're on the right track.
I'll be happy if I don't have to come back here in a hurry. We're rolling. We've picked a different channel. We picked a different channel to talk on, so we're not cluttering up the highway channel. It sounds like we're bloody getting interference from someone else. Gonna let me over? Yeah. Get over again.
Every state.
M80 Ring Road, 14 minutes. That's where we're going, or at least heading towards. Oh jeez, I thought Sydney was bad. Melbourne traffic is so much worse than everywhere else I've ever been to. It was worse than this morning coming in. I really don't envy the people that live here and have to do it every day. So I think what the plan is anyway, we're going to drive probably to the border. We'll get there at about, I think it was about 7:30 or 8 o'clock. Probably have a shower separately. Yeah, we'll have a shower at one of the truck stops there, get something to eat, have a little break, and then just power on through. I think we're probably end up pulling up about, I think, 3 or 4 tomorrow morning. It's currently 4:30, so yeah, it's going to be a long day because we were getting unloaded. We wheeled in and getting unloaded at 6 o'clock this morning, so it's now fucking 4:30. That's how long it took to get these loads on. But yeah, got to get these loads off tomorrow morning so we can get reloaded and do it all over again. Anyway, we'll pause it for a second. I think we need to get out of this lane, do we? Or I need to get in behind our mate there. I think he got me a bit more of an idea of where we're going. Wait for this white one to go past and then flick this on. Then another red one jumps in. Come on, mate. So let me know if you like just a little driving video. Obviously, I don't know, it probably wasn't too exciting. Fucking hell, that's glary though. I don't know if that's any good for you, I don't know how glary it is on the camera. But yeah, if you just thought you might have liked a little fucking bit of traffic video. Not much swearing, but let me know if you wanted to see more videos of loads. You know, different stuff we pick up and just driving places. I don't know, just a little change up from the story videos. I think the next one's going to have to be, I've got 2 in the works. It's either going to have to be the toll video, or I've got a bloody story about the Raj. The bloody, yeah, there's been a few incidents, so a few stories about certain person. Anyway, as always, you know the deal. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I don't know, leave me a comment and just say Melbourne sucks. If you've watched this far, send me a comment, just say Melbourne sucks. We might start doing that from now on. If any of you true viewers, you watch all the way to the end, I might just say something silly at the end of every video, and if you can just comment something silly.
Yeah, I was just chatting about that, mate. Just told him we waited around that hour so we could send it on.
Yeah, he wouldn't have had a drama with that anyway.
Nah, mate, he said fucking good idea.
Well, better than pulling up at midnight and after having a 7-hour break then. Yeah, so...
Get out of this shithole.
Copy that. Melbourne sucks for today's code word. Comment that and we'll think of something else for next week. Bye now.